Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DeWalt. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance 2 next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887, with next-generation DeWalt XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built, guaranteed tough, by DeWalt.
The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class, compact size, and lightest weight. 3/8 inch 3-jaw chuck. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. 20 plus 1 clutch settings. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. Easy to read charge indicator. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size, a tool for any job, the power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.
Introducing 1,090 inch-pounds of awesome. The XP-H07M is the new king of the hammer driver drill category with the most torque in its class. It outpowers, outlasts, and outperforms the rest. With over 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, it outpowers the red and yellow brushless counterparts by up to 382 inch-pounds of torque. It also outlasts the red and yellow brushless drills, powering through 77 holes on a single charge with a new 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. So is it faster? Yes! Drilling into 2x material, it's up to 24% faster than the red and yellow's brushless drills. The hard-working XP-H07M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. The XP-H07M is powered by the new 4 amp-hour battery that reaches a full charge in 40 minutes or less. That's twice as fast as some of the other 4 amp-hour batteries on the job site, which can take up to an hour and a half to reach full charge. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new XP-H07M is the unmatched, undisputed king of the hammer driver drill category. And now, introducing the XP-H07T, equipped with 5 amp-hour batteries. The latest innovation in Makita 18-volt LXT battery technology. The new XP-H07T delivers unmatched performance with even more runtime. The XP-H07T kit includes 2 5 amp-hour batteries for extended performance. How about over 100 holes on a single charge? And each battery charges in only 45 minutes or less, the fastest charge time in the category.
break it, drill it, drive it, Ryobi it, cut it, sand it, trim it, nail it. Ryobi has changed the power tool game with over 70 tools that all work on the same battery. Now, when you have something to do, Ryobi it. Grind it, buff it, open it, cool it, Ryobi it. Charge it, clear it, light it, rock it, hammer it, and do it yourself all on the same battery. Ryobi it with ONE+, the next generation of power.